Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this amazing Sikorsky Super Stallion. Why it's so amazing? Because it's almost made completely out of diecast and the details are phenomenal. Let's not wait any longer. First, I'm going to take this out of the box and then we're going to take a look at the box, and then after that I'm going to take a look at the model with you. Be careful. There we go. I'm going to put that over here. This is the box. The seller put some extra protection in it. I appreciate that. So here we have the top of the box. Here you see the type C853E Super Stallion from the US Marine Corps. And it is stationed in Jacksonville, North Carolina, Air Station New River. So if you want to see a helicopter like this one, I've never seen one in my life and I think it's very impressive. You have to go to North Carolina. What is the scale? 144 scale, diecast model, not suitable for children. It's a collector's item, no toys. What is the brand? I think it's Aviation Fighter Serie 011. I've never heard of Aviation Fighters, but maybe it's very familiar in the aviation collectors community. I don't know. First model that I have from this brand. So here we got the bottom of the box, same information. And here we got a barcode and article number. Freeze the image if you want to read it. Okay, so far about the box, and now we're going to take the model. Already put a landing platform right here. Got a little bit of sunlight. I hope it doesn't bother you. Okay, let's put this away and let's take it out. You see, it comes with some loose parts. Here we got a part for the parking mode. Oh. And here we got a part for the flying mode. And here we got the tail rotor. And here we got the rotors for on top. And the seller was also very nice to put in some 172 scale American soldiers painted. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Now let's take a look at the chopper before we put the parts on. And this way I can bring in a little bit closer to the camera. So here it is. First look. Amazing. It feels also pretty heavy because it's almost made completely out of diecast. Of course, a few parts are plastic, like the loose parts over here. Well, let's take a closer look. I'm not an expert in helicopters, just I'll show you guys the helicopter, and if you want to know more detail about it, more specifications, you go to Wikipedia. You look it up yourself. Okay, I think this piece is plastic. You have to be careful for that. It can break easily. You see that the windscreen wipers are on top of the window. So that is very cool. And they're also made out of metal. Here we see an antenna. Maybe I can use... No, I don't have it. Oh, yes, I have a feather over here. There we go. And I can point what I mean. That's better than my wiener fingers. So here the antenna. Bring it some closer to the camera. Also made out of metal. Not sure what this is, but it's also made out of metal. This here, I think it's for the fuel. Also made out of metal. And here we got the front of the helicopter. Black Knights 2022. 22, I'm sorry. And as you can see, We got a little bit of detail in the cockpit. See, we got the pilot seats. Now we're going to take a look at the side. Oh, by the way, when it came here, this window was fallen off. It was not in here. I found it in a box and I glued it back here. You see some glue in the inside, but I think that's better than when it fall off. It doesn't bother me. Look at this. For a 144 scale, this is amazing. And now I think you want to know if the wheels are rolling. Yes, they do. Okay, here we got the bottom of the helicopter. The hatch on the back is open, and we're going to take a look inside. What detail was cool if there was a backdoor gunner or something. So here we have to put the tail rotor on. See if it will fit. Yep, I think it does. We'll see that right away. Okay, here we got the other side of the helicopter. You see this piece here, and I think it's not rotating, but when you put the rotors on, they will rotate. But you see this is also metal. I think this piece here is for the cable to rescue someone from out of sea or from a building. I can tell you, this helicopter is not cheap. I paid around €170 for it. And I was a little bit worried because that is not, like I said, that's not cheap. But I'm really happy with this helicopter. And I've looked on other sites, I've looked on eBay, everywhere. And sometimes it's even more expensive. Okay, let's put it over here. And then we're going to put the rotors on it. So we can make the model complete. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm not going to put this one on, the parking mode. But I'm going to put the flying mode rotor on. There we go. And I think it's better to put the rotors on before I put it on the helicopter. Not sure. Yeah, we're going to put it like this. There we go. I'm not too much pressure. I can take them off easily when I put it back in the box. There we go. It was better if there was a spare one or something. Now you got exactly 5 rotors. There we go. So yeah, you can push them all the way over there. I also have a Sikorsky Super Stallion in a 172 scale. I will put a link in the comments so you can watch that video. It's from the brand Panzerkampf. A lot cheaper than this one, by the way. And just as beautiful. Of course, not as much die cast as this one. But still. Okay, maybe first we'll put on this piece. Right here, the tail rotor, and then let's zoom in. Let's zoom out. Take it a little closer to the camera. So there is this hole, and there you have to put it in. Yeah. Okay, we're going to put some pressure on it. There we go. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, that's it. That's it. And then I'm going to put this. Sorry guys, a little bit amateuristic. I'm doing the best I can. See, there's a pretty big hole here, so I think this fits very well. Yo. And there it is. It will rotate. The back is not that good. A little bit. This one goes a lot better. I'm absolutely flabbergasted by this model. Yes, I paid a lot of money for it, but I'm very happy. I'm going to make some nice photos for my Instagram. I'm living near the sea, so I have a nice helicopter spot. By the way, do I have another helicopter in a 144 scale? Yes, and recently I did a review about it. Let's put this aside right here. It's the Super Puma helicopter from Tiny, and I think it's nice to put it next to this one, because this is not a small chopper in real life. This is also a pretty big chopper. And then you can see the difference between that Super Stallion and this other helicopter. Okay, there we go. This comes ready out of the box, by the way. It's from Tiny Toys, and I did a review about it, and I also will place a comment of a link to it in the comments. Oh, be careful. Tiny. This is really scary always to take it out. Let's see. Again. There we go. Yep. Also made out of diecast. So here it is. Quick look. Because I already did a review about it. Details are not that good as the one that I showed you, the Super Stallion. But the price is also a little bit better. These ones are around 25-30 euro. So what's that? $35 or something. This is also a really cool chopper. Now let's put it next to the Super Stallion. I have another helicopter platform right here. Here you can see the difference. Let's take the camera off. And then you can see how big this Super Stallion is. It is a giant. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. Have a very nice day. And I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. There's one more thing to say. Let's get to the chopper. See you later, guys.